YouTube's a game, and to play the game, you got to know the rules. Come to YouTube the game, and this is going to give you everything you need to know to start your YouTube journey. Level 1 is going to be YouTube formats. It's going to go over the different types of the difference between long form and short form videos, what you should use both of these for. Each level is going to have a quiz that you can take as well. Now let's go to level 2, subscribers. It's going to start with a quick video here, and it's going to give you some true facts about YouTube and what to do regarding subscribers, how YouTube Shorts is your secret weapon to gain subscribers quickly, how to convert these subscribers to actual YouTube watchers and viewers. Level 3 is going to be thumbnails. It's going to give you everything that you need to know. Once again, each level is going to start with a video, and if you just want to watch that
welcome back to
perfectly fine. Or you can just come through each level here. If anything you like, you can save these to notes. You can log in here to save your progress. So the game board is going to go through levels 1 through 7 here. There's some bonus levels, and it's going to give you everything you need to know about YouTube, what makes a great title, some title formulas. So if you're beginning on YouTube and you don't really know, hey, what I should make videos about, what is a long form video, what is a short form video, how do all these work together, come to YouTube the game to get your journey started. It's totally free. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me.